Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by loading correctly. Place heavy items like towels at the drum edge and lighter items inside to balance the load. Once done, check care labels for max 5 kg and recommended temperatures so you don't shrink garments. Make sure to add detergent to the correct drawer slot, pre-wash, main wash, or softener, because dosage affects cleaning and machine longevity. Then close the door firmly and switch the machine on. That starts the control sequence and readies the wash cycle. You now select the appropriate program. Choose Cotton for whites, Delicate for lingerie, or Quick 15 for small loads because the program controls agitation and water usage. Once chosen, adjust temperature in degrees C and spin speed in RPM to protect fibers. Lower RPM reduces creasing. Use the soil level and pre-treat options for heavy stains and enable eco mode to save energy when time allows. If you want laundry later, set the delay timer. It releases water. You finish by removing laundry promptly to avoid wrinkles and mildew. Leave the door slightly open to air the drum and gasket. Once empty, run the drum clean program monthly or wipe with a damp cloth and clean the pump filter to prevent clogs. This keeps performance optimal. If the machine shows an error code, first power cycle it for 1 minute. If the code persists, note the number, check the drain hose for kinks, and consult the manual for that specific fault to resolve it quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.